The ban on plastic bags by the National Environmental Management Authority has led to improved environmental conservation efforts along the beaches in Malindi sub-county. According to Malindi Marine Park Senior Warden Jen Gitao, the plastic bags that used to find its way to the ocean have drastically gone down. The plastic bags are the main causes of death of turtles at the beach, and increased human activities in Malindi had contributed to the increased use of plastic bags, which find its way in the ocean after being disposed by the population.
Ile takataka tumeokota leo polythene packs ni kidogo sana. Kwa hivyo hiyo policy ya serikali imekuwa effected na inasaidia sana, itatokoa fishermen walikuwa wanateta, samaki wamekuwa wachache.
Tumeokota kilo 534 katika hiyo stretch ambayo tumekava siku ya leo, lakini utapata miaka kama miezi miwili imepita tulifanya similar cleanup na tukaokota zaidi ya kilo 1000.